What's up, guys? Quick question. Do you know what a coffee blend is? Well, in this episode, I'm gonna uncover 3 secrets the coffee industry doesn't want you to know about blends, and then I'm gonna take a crack at making my own perfect blend. Let's go. Okay, secret number 1. Coffee blends are often created as a way to cut quality and save money. A coffee company is going to get you really excited about this growth, but what you don't know is that a large percentage of that coffee is in fact a lower grade coffee, and you don't know that it's actually blended with a bunch of garbage. Secret number 2, blends are often used as a way to avoid the issue of low product availability. You see companies like Starbucks, they're buying so much coffee, there's no way they can give you a single origin coffee, a coffee from one place all year long. So what they do is they create these blends to give you the sensation that you're getting the same coffee every time. Secret number 3, coffee companies know that you don't know the real definition of a coffee blend. That's because there's no real hard definition for coffee blend. I mean, we know we're mixing 2 things together, but beyond that, there's not a lot of clarity. So what is a coffee blend? Well, I'll give you my definition, and that is a coffee blend should be the mixture of 2 different coffees that taste notably different when they're tasted side by side, that when mixed together actually taste better than each coffee did on its own. Let me show you what I mean.
Oh, sir, you can't bring that in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sorry. The skateboard.
Oh, dang it. Well, you're kind of cute. Can I get your number? Okay, so here's what we got. The coffee industry divides flavor into 2 categories, very generally speaking. On this side, you've got more traditional flavor notes, things like chocolate, nuts. On the other end of the coffee flavor spectrum, you've got some pretty wild things. You've got blueberries, you've got limes, you've got lemon, orange, and then sometimes you even get pepper. You even get like a red bell pepper taste in coffee, believe it or not. But oftentimes what happens is, in a single origin coffee, not always, some of these flavors will be too dominant, too overpowering in the cup. So in my opinion, what should a good blend do? A good blend should bring all of these flavors together in a way that's harmonious and balanced. Let's go see if we can do that making a coffee. Okay, I'm gonna blend it with 20% Brazil to give it those classic chocolatey, nutty notes. Then I'm gonna blend it with 40% Honduran to give it a rich, thick, creamy body. And then we're gonna go 20% coffee from Ethiopia to give it those fruity flavors that we talked about. And then we're gonna put a little bit of Costa Rica in there. And this is actually a hybrid varietal from a coffee that was originally planted and grown in Ethiopia and then taken to Costa Rica. Let's see how this tastes. We've got our 4 coffees right here. I'm brewing up a pour over. I'm really interested to see how this blend tastes. Let's go. Okay, moment of truth. Smells really flavorful. Smells fresh. We like fresh. This is freshly roasted coffee. I'm getting those balanced notes. Chocolatey, nutty, fruity, kind of herby too. Whoa. I think we knocked it out. That is one stellar freaking blend, man. All right, guys, hope you learned 3 things today. 1, just because it's a blend doesn't mean it's better. 2, I hope you have some awareness about coffee flavors and how they can actually be mixed together to optimize flavor in the cup. And 3, I just suck at skateboarding. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure.